Hi, today in this video we are going to discuss what is Heisenberg uncertainty principle. What is Heisenberg uncertainty principle? So before we start, let us look at its definition. Definition. It states that it states that it is impossible to determine the position and momentum of a microscopic particle with great accuracy. So what does it mean? Heisenberg principle say that when we calculate the position and the momentum of a microscopic particle, so we can't calculate it accurately. There would definitely be an error, and how much would be the error? Let us see. Before we go to its mathematical expression, let us know what is microscopic particle. Microscopic particles are those which have very which are very small in mass, and they are on micro level, like 10 to the power minus 6 micro level, and its opposite is macro. Macro means particles have very big mass. So let us move to its mathematical expression. Let us suppose that at a time t the position of electron was x1 and its momentum was p1. After time t2, its position was x2 and its momentum was p2. So the difference of position is x2 and the difference of momentum is delta p. So when we calculate the product of these two quantities, so it is impossible to find it accurately. There would definitely be the error, and the error is greater than and equal to h upon 4 pi. It is the mathematical expression of Heisenberg uncertainty principle, right? So delta x and momentum, we have m into delta v here, because momentum is the product of mass and velocity, greater than and equal to h upon 4 pi. Delta x and delta v is greater than and equal to h upon 4 pi m. So what we get from the Heisenberg uncertainty principle first is, if the mass of a particle is very big, the uncertainty between the product of position and moment, position and velocity would be very less. On the other hand, if we have microscopic particles, the which have mass very, microscopic level. So if we have mass very small, the product of these quantities would have a big error, would have errors. So at macroscopic level, Heisenberg principle could be ignored, but when it comes to microscopic level, there would definitely be a error of h upon 4 pi m. So after the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, the concept of orbital is given, because in Bohr atomic model or in Rutherford atomic model, it is considered that the position of electron within the atom is fixed. But after the this principle, it is considered that it is proved that, not considered, it is proved that we can't say that electron revolves or electron has a definite position within the atom. So this was Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Thank you for watching us. If you like it, please support us and subscribe our channel for upcoming chemistry videos. Thank you.